Ask Google how to know if someone is lying to you. According to this ex-FBI agent's 3 tips, you can tell if someone is lying just by looking at them. The first is through fight or flight, which is essentially our body perking up when uncomfortable. So when someone is lying, they actually become more energized, making them reposition their feet, fidget with their hands, or self-groom. They ain't trying to fix the flow, baby, they just nervous. This next one blew my mind. Did you know the average lie is 2 sentences long? Usually what they hear and see. This next one is the most subtle. In fact, let's see if you can spot it during this next lie. The person you sent this to isn't a liar.